Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name's Iman and today I'm going to be making lemon Swiss roll and Amaretti trifle. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let's make the Swiss rolls. First I'm adding 4 eggs and 100 grams of custard sugar. Now my mum's going to mix it. I'm going to add 100 grams of self-raising flour and mix that. Now my mum is just spreading butter on a pan and putting parchment paper on top, and then she's pouring the mixture onto the parchment paper. We heat the oven to 180°C, gas mark 4. Now my mum is going to be making the lemon curd. First I'm adding 85 grams salted butter softened. Now 135 grams of granulated sugar, 4 large egg yolks, 80 ml of fresh lemon juice, and 1 lemon, the zest only. Now we're going to mix it. Now my mum has put the bowl over some hot water. Make sure the bowl isn't touching the hot water and whisk for 15 minutes until it becomes thickened. To make the custard, first we're going to add 25 gram golden caster sugar, 1 tablespoon corn flour, 3 large egg yolks, and mix that all together. Now 1 teaspoon of lemon extract and mix it. Now put 425 ml of double cream into a saucepan over gentle heat. Now with a spoon whisk it and keep adding the double cream into the mixture. Keep whisking it. Now we're going to put parchment paper on top. Now we're going to make the Amaretti biscuits. Add 2 egg whites and 170 grams of caster sugar. Beat the egg white until firm. Now add 170 grams of ground almonds and fold it gently until you have a smooth paste. Now just get a spoonful of the Amaretti paste and just keep adding them onto cupcake liners. Make sure to preheat the oven to 180°C, gas mark 4. Now we're going to make the chunky mandarin cowlis. Strain 4 tins of mandarin. And discard the juice and put it aside. Now put it into a saucepan and add 45 grams of caster sugar. Now add 2 tablespoons of cold water into 16 grams of arrowroot and add that into the mandarins. Place it over gentle heat until it breaks down. Now add half of lemon juice and mix that all together. Add the mandarins into a bowl and leave it to cool. Now we're going to make the jewel chocolate bar. We've got 50 grams of mixed peeled, 1 tablespoon of caster sugar, that's optional, and 200 grams of white chocolate broken into pieces. First we're just mixing it over some gentle heat. Now we're going to add it onto parchment paper and spread it all about. Now we're going to add the mixed peels on top. Now we're going to leave that to set. It's all setted. Now we're just going to break it into shards. We've took the Swish roll out of the oven. Now my mum's just sprinkling some sugar onto the parchment paper, so then when we put the Swish roll on top, it won't stick to it. Just taking the parchment paper off it. And we've just neatened the edges up. Now my mum is just rolling it. Now we're gonna add the lemon curd. And so we're gonna spread that all about. Now we're just gonna roll it up again, and we're gonna cut it to little sections. And my mum made a second batch of it, so we're gonna cut that up too. Now all of it's done. And we've took the Amaretti biscuits out of the oven. It looks so delicious. Now my mum is going to be making the St. Clement's jelly. We're just going to be adding some hot water, then add the jelly mixture into the hot water, mix it. Now we're just going to be making the trifle. First we're adding the Swish Rolls. Then we're going to be adding the jelly. And my mum's just making a mini one. Now my mum's just making the cream for the top. She's added 3 cups of double cream and 3 tablespoons of icing sugar. And I'm just going to whisk it till it becomes cream. The jelly has hardened. Now we're going to be adding the custard. Now we're adding the Amaretti biscuits. And now we're adding the mandarin calice. Now we're going to be adding the whipped cream. And to top it off, we're going to be adding the jeweled chocolate bark. And the lemon Swiss roll and Amaretti trifle is all ready. It looks so yummy. I can't wait to try it. Bye guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and turn that post notification bell on. Allah Hafiz.